What's up, my brother? And thank you so much for your purchase. Just wanted to show this baby off before I ship her out so you can see she is in near mint condition, which is really astounding. For a 2003, she's just been babied, man. No marks, no dings. I did find one little mark right here. Back is nice and clean as well. Just a really incredible guitar, man. All your binding looks really clean, man. You just don't see this every day. Sun is not really letting me see this right now. There we go. Corners of your headstock are all perfect, untouched. No issues at all. COA is right here, and we will get it all ready for you. I'm gonna go and remove this guy right here. First thing I always do on a Les Paul. She'll be in the case. Case, by the way, is also in excellent to near mint condition. Minor signs of cosmetic use. All your latches work perfectly. And what we're gonna do now is loosen the strings. We will add extra support to the headstock. We will separate the strings from the frets. Wrap her up in this blue bubble wrap, and then she's going in this box right here. This box is brand new. No marks, no blemishes, never been used, so the UPS takes very good care. My boy Tino's gonna go and take over right now.
All right, so here you are. This thing is nice and padded down, secured with bubble wrap. As promised, the strings were separated from the frets. Neck has a little bit of extra protection as well. About to go inside this box, and we are going to ensure that there's enough packing material in there that it is nice, snug, and safe. And we'll go from there. All right, and there she is, ready to be shipped. All nice and safe. Again, thank you so much for your purchase. And again, we just want to put good instruments in the hands of good people, that the world will be filled with good music. Enjoy.